Hi my beautiful people, this is your guy Paul from Munyi Auto Hub. Now here with me I have the original brand new OEM part for the Subaru Forester 2013 to 2018. This is side mirror. This side mirror has the indicators. On the lower side is black, on top is ash white or ash gray. So this is brand new electric. As you can see, the wires here, I think they are, I'll count the number and I'll tell you in the next video. So if you want this side mirror, usinunue side mirror ya Subaru na 30k ama 25,000. Kujia hii hapa na kupatia na 15k brand new straight from Japan, brand new OEM part. Iko boxed na haijatumika. So namba yetu iko hapo kwa bio. If you need to make any orders, we shall deliver countrywide, even worldwide, wherever you are. We are going to the river. This is Munyi Auto Hub, powering your drive. Number on bio.